Thinking of you this morning, ain't nothing new about it. Breaking up with you, I bet was the worst thing I